Here's how to do the kneeling resistance band pull down. You're going to start by kneeling and sitting back on your heels, looping the resistance band around your hands and closing your fingers tight around it. Lift that resistance band up over your head, pulling it apart just enough to feel some tension on the band. Then as you pull down, you're going to stretch the band apart and tap it to your collarbone. Make sure that your elbows stay wide and you flex your lat muscles with each repetition. Here's how it looks from the back. Think of pressing your elbows down and back behind you. The goal here shouldn't be to stretch the stretch band as far apart as possible. Rather than focusing on the band, focus on your muscles. Let the band guide your movement and provide that added resistance, but the main thing is your flex. Alternatively, if you are working out at the gym and you want to advance this exercise, you could do it with a cable machine by attaching the rope attachment and following the same form. Add more weight as you get stronger to make this more challenging for yourself, and always keep your attention on good posture, good form, and muscle contractions, as well as your breath. Exhale with each flex and inhale as you release the tension. Make sure to keep your shoulders down and away from your ears, no stress in the neck.